Alrighty everybody, so I got the frame primered for the most part. I gotta hit a couple more spots a little bit, touch it up, and I also went ahead and started painting the swing arm. It's looking pretty good, looking nice and fresh, freshened up, I guess. Yeah, just at home paint job. Like I said, not trying to do a concourse level restoration on this bike, just wanted to get back to being able to ride it. So what I'm going to start off doing is I'm going to take these out here. These are the carburetor ports, and you also have, I believe these are the reed valves inside here. So we'll go ahead and get those pulled off first, and then we'll take off the cylinder head. A little dirty in there, not gonna lie, but like I said, this bike sat for about 40 years, so we got those off. We'll go ahead and get these head bolts out of here. That's kind of interesting. Not really, well, they're bolts, but they actually got, looks like studs down in here. Put them on, so something different. Good. So I will say I've been very impressed with this little 1/2-inch drive deal here. It's actually a Walmart brand and works pretty well. Alright, so I forgot to hit record when I took the cylinder heads off. I got them off. And see, we got a little bit of corrosion here that we'll have to take care of on these here. This one's pretty bad here, but it's all right. That's why we're in here. Looks like there's a lot of dust in here, a lot of buildup. So I guess the next thing to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to split the case. And there's all these bolts around here to help split the case. Also going to have to probably pull this out through there also. It's part of the generator here. So we'll go ahead, get everything unbolted, and then we'll figure out how to get this case off. Alright, so I'm gonna try to figure out how to get this whole generator set up out of here. Now this bike sat for 40 years, so that's why you do see a lot of corrosion, a lot of net grossness here. And this is probably going to get a full, just digital ignition in it, just so I don't have to mess with points. So we don't want to mess with points. Alrighty, there's that. Let's see if we can put this one here. All right, there we go. So that's off. So next thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll unbolt and get this top part of this. Ooh, hey. It moves pretty good. I'm going to leave it and not touch it. amazing how compact this motor is, yet how heavy it still is. 1970s design. Well, that was a mistake. Alrighty, everybody, so I got the case split apart. Probably didn't need to take the clutch off, but that's okay. I took it off anyways. So it doesn't look too bad in here. A little dirty with the little carb cleaner or mineral spirits won't fix. So I know I didn't do a step-by-step about taking this motor apart, but it's not what this is all about. This is about the transformation of the bike. There's plenty of videos out there about how to take these engines apart, so I kind of want to skip around that. I'm going to go ahead and get all the gear sets out, make sure they look good. I mean, everything looks pretty good here. I'll probably just end up cleaning it off with some carb cleaner, possibly, and go from there. It looks like it's looking pretty ugly. You hear a little bit of thunder out there, so probably going to wrap it up here for the night. Got a little bit done. A little bit goes a long way, I guess. So, yep. Next part will be I'll be cleaning the inside of the engine and then putting it all back together. There's a little lightning back there. So yeah, thank you.